cathedral window.
It is so fun. Just a regular square. You're gonna fold it in half. Those two seams kiss. I like to sew over the seam and then stop. We have a square. Now we need to turn that right side out. You do not want to see those ugly seams. So we're gonna flip it over and we are going to pull all of the points into the middle. So this is like making your cootie catchers when you were a kid.
I remember those.
So I have 4 of them. So I'm gonna do a 4 patch and I'm just going to fold these 2 up. You're just gonna sew right down here, inner cathedral windows. I'm going to fold my flaps back. You're going to sew this down and just stitch across each of these points. So this will go here. Because these are tacked down, you're going to be able to roll this back.
That's so fun.
And look at what starts to happen.
What?
Obviously, you're gonna sew all of those down and that's what you end up with.
Wow.